All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Eight one four, State versus Sebastian Gabriel. Could I have parties announce?
Ready for the state? Matthew Brown for the defense.
And are you Mr. Gabriel?
Yes, ma'am.
So have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Gabriel, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, I believe we're waiving the punishment enhancement for unlawful proceedings charged.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Gabriel, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? All right, you're charged with tampering with the electronic monitoring device, intensive supervision as a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you intend to give up your rights to a jury trial and the right to remain silent? And the right to cross-examine any witnesses the state will call?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gabriel, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to end the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, that's the incorrect question. Did you understand if you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be denied naturalization and re-entry into the United States? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
No.
All right. According to your plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the prison. The state will run this concurrent with 23 JUV 00249B. They're taking in consideration 2026 AL 000120, 2026 AL 000122, 2026 AL 00123. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor. I think on that last one, it was 000123.
All right, thank you. You're correct. It's 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. State, is that the plea?
It is the plea, Judge.
Did you understand that to be the plea? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Judge, we're up to exhibit number 1 and all attached.
No objection.
All right, state your excuse.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea, the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
At this stage, the court has accepted the stipulations as evidence, which is significant because it allows the judge to rely on written records instead of live testimony legally that can speed up proceedings and limit what can be challenged. Later, strategically, It often means both sides are confident in the agreement they've reached. Do you think accepting stipulations here helped resolve the case efficiently, or did it reduce the defense's options?
All right, this GPS tracking device, that was for the ankle, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Maybe I'm missing in the police report, but I'm trying to find where it says that he didn't have it. 5CR 014814, State versus Sebastian Gabriel. It's the court's understanding that the state has amended the stipulations. Is that correct, State?
That's correct, Judge.
And defense, you have any objections to the amendment?
No, I do not, Judge. I've reviewed those amendments and have no objection to them.
All right, so off the record firm up. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We ask you follow the agreement, Judge.
And counsel, did I give you a copy?
You did.
Yeah, okay. All right, the court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2023 JUV 00249B. Take in consideration 2026 AL 000120, 2026 AL 000122, 2026 AL 000123. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? And counsel, I'll request the therapeutic community just so it's there if he feels as though he needs it.
Yes, Your Honor.
The therapeutic community doesn't increase the time that you're in custody. It's really designed to help you rehabilitate yourself. I do not have the authority to force them to place you in the program, but they'll see that I think it's should be recommended, but you'll still have to ask for it, okay? All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
19.
All right, so here's the thing. This is not the end of the world, right? And I know any time that you do time is a lot of time. But if you don't change your ways and make better decisions and get your life in order, you're going to end up in prison a lot, okay? So do better. When you're released from prison, if you're lost and trying to find your way, if I'm still here, you come back here, I will do my best to put you on the right track, okay? And while you're at the prison, if you haven't obtained your GED or anything, work the program, get your GED. You can get trade school. And I will tell you, one of the best professions for people who have criminal cases usually is welding. Welding is very dangerous because you're dealing with sparks and everything, but it pays a lot. And when I was a practicing attorney, I had a lot of clients who had been in prison and served 20 years, and they got their welding and it went great. So good luck, okay? All right.
So the judge reviewed the evidence, accepted the plea, found sufficient proof, and sentenced the defendant to 2 years while also encouraging rehabilitation and future improvement. That combination shows the court balanced accountability with an opportunity for change, which can happen when someone accepts responsibility early. Based on everything you heard, do you think this was a fair outcome for the charge? If you found this case as interesting as we did, make sure to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe our channel for more real courtroom breakdowns.